Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Against the grain there, and he was off balance anyway. Three-run inning here for the Giants. 2 out. The 1-0 is played on the ground is short. Iglesias has it. He'll flip to second for the force out on Wade, and the inning is over. Longoria is 0 for 3 in his return. Timesky. We will go to the fifth.
Come on, there you go.
To be repaired. Yeah, we're not raising the roof, we're repairing the roof, and we highly recommend Ameristar Roofing for that. First of all, I don't even want to climb up there to find out what's wrong. Free, no obligation inspection. That's for your peace of mind, if nothing else. If something's wrong, then they will give you a free estimate for the repairs, or they can do a full replacement. Ameristar Roofing.
Marriage could be at risk. He thinks the Supreme Court will go after the 2015 decision if justices go through with overturning Roe v. Wade as soon as next month.
What the f*** are you f***ing doing, dude? Are you f***ing kidding me?
At a fundraiser in Chicago yesterday after Senate Republicans
Wow.
to protect abortion rights.
Wow. Oh shit! I got that on dash cam.
Oath to be peacekeepers somehow evolved overnight into roles as soldiers and commanders, an overlap the clones themselves couldn't quite comprehend, leading to the informal title of general on the battlefield.
Idiots!
There really was a lot of buzz coming out about different QB situations throughout the league. You know, Malcolm Jenkins announced his retirement. I don't want to give him short shrift. We'll get into that a little further. Coming up, Matt Corral in a half hour. The coach Charlie Weiss. You'll let that stick around.
I mean, it sounds like anything's possible.
Chiefs, excuse me, they are about $5 million over the cap right now. We know they put the franchise tag on Orlando Brown. I don't think they're in the position to re-sign Tyrann Mathieu, but he'll go out on the open market. Maybe.
We are the only 3 black women to play.
That's rocket science.
Black Dot. Available now on the FXM app, included with all of our files and publications.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Southwest Hamilton Street.
Where's the Dickhead, pull over. No. He was gonna pull over. Let's go.
That I look on the verge of leaving, Mrs. Winton might be forced to resort to honesty. She must have flown like a broomstick to get from that upstairs room to the entrance hall where I met her a few seconds later. Are you
kidding me?
Well, she said, after looking at
Oh my god.
God damn.
Okay, holy shit, okay.
Man, that's...
There's an ambulance back there. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop. I'm sorry. I know you're trying to get where you're going, but... I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to stop.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.